Greetings. It's week 2, and I wanted to share just a quick look back and look ahead at what's happening in week 2. And first, just thank everybody for turning in your work on time and struggling through choosing your topics. I'm in the midst of reviewing your proposals, and there's some really great work, so I want to just compliment you on that and just encourage you to not stress out and keep up all the good work. So at this point, I want to jump into the class just briefly and show you what's going to happen a little bit this week. I want to remind you, if you watch this video, the class live, our live session, will be tomorrow night, Tuesday at 7 o'clock. So bear with me while I share the screen here. It'll just take a moment, and we'll jump into the class and take a look at what's on the agenda. What are we going to do this week? So here we are in our classroom in week 2, and hopefully you can see this and see that we have some objectives which are selecting and really navigating the library database and feeling fully confident. One of the goals of this class, and certainly been to the library before, is to make you comfortable and make you skillful at navigating, using the databases, finding sources, and exploring your topic. So with that said, we have a discussion board, of course, and in this discussion, we're asking you to post your original research question from the week 1 proposal, and then using the feedback from me and maybe feedback you got in the discussion in week 1 from your peers, revise that question and share why you revised it, how the feedback and how it's improved. Talk a little bit about how it's argumentative. So this is a 2-part discussion. Then you're going to post an APA citation from one of the sources that you located, provide a summary, and provide an application of the source. How does this help? When we say application, we're really talking about aligning your source with your topic question. So 2-part posting in the discussion, and then in the learning module, you'll see that there are actually 2 quizzes and a simple task, and I will go over that task in class live, but we'll do a quick look at it right here and now. And it is asking that, first you'll see these resources that you want to go through, and then in the critical reading, it's asking you to go to the library base, locate this article, and it's very specific. It tells you how to get there. You go to EBSCO, you're looking for prescription opioid medication misuse. It gives you the authors. Using the citation, post it and copy it and paste it into a Word document. Then read the first 3 paragraphs of the essay, and it begins with this, and it shows you where it begins. And then highlight key ideas, make notes, right? So you're going to print something out, and then you're going to highlight it, and then you can either post your Word document, or you can take a picture with your phone and post that. And that's this assignment. Then we have 2 quizzes. One is dealing with the CRAP test, which is a way of evaluating the sources with currency, relevancy. Currency means, when was it published? How is it relevant? Authority, is the source, reliable? Is the information accurate, and what's the purpose? Why did they do this? And then there's another quiz on research methodology terminology. Finally, we have our annotated bibliography, which asks that you select 5 sources, and these should be academic sources. They need to come from the database, unlike some of the sources we talked about in week 1. And you will create an annotation. And in the annotation, it should be 2 paragraphs, and it should basically have 1 paragraph that summarizes the source. And in the other, you're going to answer some questions about it, explain how it's credible. Excuse me. Tell how you're going to use it. How does it support your sources? So 2 paragraphs, a summary, and kind of an analysis of value of this source to your topic. And that is a quick look at what we're doing in week 2. So with that, I'm going to just sign off and say, I hope it's helpful. I am here to help you. And if you have any questions, please contact me. Many of you have done so via email, phone, text. It's all great. Just stay in touch. And hopefully I will see you in class live, and we'll talk again later in the week. Take care.